Homemade raspberry almond cake recipe. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, a homemade raspberry almond cake. It's the perfect blend of nutty almond flavor and the sweet tartness of raspberries. Let's get started. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of almond meal, finely ground almonds. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. ½ teaspoon of salt. ½ cup of unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 3 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. ½ cup of buttermilk. 1½ cups of fresh raspberries. Powdered sugar for dusting. Sliced almonds for garnish optional. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of almond meal, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix them together and set it aside. Step 2. In another bowl, cream together ½ cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 3. Now, add 3 large eggs, one at a time, and 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. Mix well after each addition. Step 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients and ½ cup of buttermilk, alternating between them. Start and finish with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Step 5. Gently fold in 1½ cups of fresh raspberries into the batter. Be careful not to overmix, you want those beautiful raspberry pockets. Step 6. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. Pour the batter into the pan and smooth the top. Step 7. Bake the cake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 8. Dust the cake with powdered sugar, and if you like, garnish it with sliced almonds. Slice, serve, and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious homemade raspberry almond cake. The nutty almond flavor combined with the sweetness of fresh raspberries makes this cake an absolute delight. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel for more tasty recipes. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much, raspberry almond cake lovers.